Hello, hello. Yes, hello. Yes, hello, my beautiful people. Hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. And this is Sharif, your IT expert. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple way on how you're able to create a static menu using the Max Mega Menu plugin. In most cases, when you are designing our websites, the major objective is to get clients. And when it comes to designing, there is a lot of features that contribute to towards increase in the online inquiries or bookings for your company. For this case, we're going to look at this tour and travel website. And if you've been keen enough, I've been posting this website. It is one of the projects I'm currently working on. It is a tour and travel website for some clients. So today, I'm going to just share with you just a simple line of code that can help you to make this header static or sticky. The header being sticky, it means that even if you scroll going down, your head is going to do what? It's going to remain in the same position. So this is what I'm trying to mean. I think you're able to see this header. When I try to scroll, my head is going to remain in the same position. In other words, it's going to be sticky in the same position. And let me try to share with you this other website because I want you to exactly get what I'm trying to mean. So when you look at this website, still it is a tour and travel website, but for it, when you try to scroll down, the header or the main menu, this is the main menu. When you try to scroll down the main menu, it is disappearing. So in some cases, the client may get confused because not all clients they are well versed with the tech world. Some of them are naive. I'm sorry to use that word, but a client wants something that is straight and forward. So when you look at this website, yes, it is a good website, but the menu it is not sticky. When someone scrolls down, the menu is going to disappear. But when you try to look at this, you're going to see that the menu for it is in it is sticky. Even if you scroll down, our menu is going to still be appearing. And this only it contributes much because it will enable a client to view the what? The various packages that the company is offering. So today, allow me to show you these simple techniques on how you can be able to make your menu header sticky. Well, so what you're going to do, first of all, you need to log in into your admin panel. So let me try to access my admin panel. I'm going to log my website. Since I'm already logged in, I'm just going to click here on dashboard as you're seeing. So it is logged into the admin panel. So once you're logged into the admin panel, as you're able to see, this is how my admin panel looks like, or the back end of my website. So when you come to the back end of the website, what you do, this is the plugin that I used. It is the Max Mega plugin. So what we need, I'm going to show you a simple line of code that I used to make my mega menu sticky. So what you do, you're going to go up here, you click on this icon for home where you see the name for your website, Gorilla Safaris Chimpanzee. Then you click on Visit Site. When you click on this site, as you're seeing, it's going to display the website. So from here, you're going to go to Customize in your header. So when you click on Customize, as you're seeing, because for cases whereby you're using the free plugin for the Max Mega menu, you're not going to have access to this sticky feature. So in such cases, you don't need to fear, or you don't need to uninstall the plugin. What you do, you're going to create custom plugins, custom CSS. So let me assume that you already have this line of code I'm going to share with you. So what you're going to do, you click on customize, you go to it will display this interface. So under here, you're going to go where there is additional CSS. I think you're able to see this. Down here, we are having additional CSS. So I'm going to click on addition CSS. So when I click on additional CSS, here it is where I paste in this code. Let me first show you. If I try to delete this, because this is the line of code that I used, and I publish my website, when I try to go back, let me try to I'm refreshing the website. It has refreshed. So when you try to check whether my menu is still sticky, you're going to see that it is now moving. It is not sticky. So for you to make it sticky such that it doesn't disappear when you scroll away, is whereby you go to the customize, then it will display this interface. You go to additional CSS, then what you simply do, you type in this line of code. It's just a one line of code, and for those who are into this field of website designing, and maybe you've been experiencing the same issue, you're having your menu header or the main header and it is not static, you can just send me an email. I'll be able to send you this code, but also in the description for this video, I'm going to put this line of code such that it helps you to ease your work. So when I try to publish here, you see I'm publishing now, and I try to run So now I'm running. Let me refresh. Wow. So once I publish that code, my head is going to be now static. So guys, that's how you're able to make a static or a sticky menu in WordPress. And so even if I try to reduce, so this is the kind of website that I designed. And let me just share with you the pages on how I laid them out. This is the header. Sorry, this is the booking part. This is how my page is going to be. For the about us, this is how the about us page is going to be. And then Gorilla permit. So basically, but in cases where you want more customization on the maybe the top, you can say you want to give it 10, value for 10. So it will depend on your design and how you want your website to look like. But for this case, this is how I wanted the website to be. And let me hope this video has added something to your coding progress. If it's your first time to watch this video or to go onto online with this channel, just I kindly request you to subscribe to the channel such that our video reaches a vast of people. So this is our beautiful website is going to be looking like. These are various pages for the packages that the company is providing. So for anyone who has a website or he needs assistance in website designing, you can reach me out on my numbers and you'll have this amazing and appealing work to look at. This website is fully responsive. With responsiveness, it means that it's or the client will be able to use it on all devices and all the packages they are going to be displayed in a professional way. So I would like to know where you're watching this video from. You can just hit the comment section such that and like I told you, in case whereby you need this line of code, just send me an email and I'll send you this line of code. So that is it for today. I don't know if you have any question concerning this. I'll be grateful to hear from you. This is our tour and travel website. I don't know the kind of website that you have in mind, but in this era, I usually urge people, if you have your business, however small it may be, a website, it is a magic tool that can help you to reach out to a vast number of people, and it won't only do the online presence, but depending on the services you provide, trust me, you're going to get clients all over the world. So what are you waiting for? If you have, or if you need a website, just send me an email. My number is also there, such that we begin on your next project. And when it comes to designing, it is not only this tour and travel website we default. In cases for those who have hotels, we also design nice and appealing hotel websites. Let me just share with you one of the projects that we worked on. I just feel like I have to share this with you. Maybe someone out there is dealing in has a hotel or a resort, and it doesn't matter even if it's a resort, a guest house. If you need to get clients abroad, I urge you in this era to have a website. So let us just look at this nice and appealing website. It's for Polycal website. And like I told you, a website, it's going to help you to display all your products in one point. This client, he has two investments. He has Polycal Airport Hotel and Polycal Heights Hotel. So depending on what you need your clients to see and how you need it, because before designing a website, Actually, we do what we call, we sit down with the client and we ask the client what he actually needs. Then after, we can advise accordingly. Because when you look at this, it is in two in one. Because on the same domain, we have Pulikal Heights Hotel, Pulikal Airport Hotel. So it depending, if you want to stay in Pulikal Airport Hotel, you're going to click on visit website. So this is how the Pulikal Airport Hotel looks like. And for our friends who frequent the airport or stay around Entebbe Airport or in Entebbe, you can witness me, this website, and no, this hotel. It provides one of the best services in the region. So I urge you to support this client of ours because he also supported us. So that is also another advantage when you design a website with us. We'll help you in the marketing of your website to a vast number of people. Because what I believe, the numbers I have online, some of them work from abroad. So for my friends who work abroad now, who need to come back to Uganda, IE Vista, IE National of Uganda, I urge you to get time you pass via this Pulikal Airport Hotel. You won't regret the services that they provide. So when you look at this layout of Pulikal, it provides the right information that the user needs to get. Because when you look at it, it is this, it has the about us, the description of the hotel, then our rooms, because usually clients wants to know what service is the hotel providing. So this is how the rooms are appearing, and this is a standard room. This is how is it, depending on the type of package you have subscribed for. If it's a double, if it's a full board, half board, but trust me, these guys, they give a, an amazing service. They give an amazing service. So this is a standard room, and this is an executive room. This is our hotel gallery. This is the overview of the hotel. And the location, this is the Google map. We integrate the Google map. This is our contact us form and customer success stories. Then for someone who needs a show, you don't want the airport hotel, you need the Heights hotel. Still, you get the information about the what? About the hotel. So this is, when we talk of quality, this is the type of quality work that we give to our clients. This is the quality work we give to our clients. For those who are just joining, I already showed you on how to create this static or sticky menu, and I said for those who need that line of code that can make your menu sticky, you can DM me or send me an email, or you get that line of code in the description of this video, because I'm going to be able to post it there. So I think for today, let me just call it, for today, this is what I had for you. Yeah, this is what I had for you. And hopefully tomorrow, if I get time to be online, I'm going to show you how you're able to install WordPress. First of all, I'll take you through the entire process of downloading the WordPress files, downloading XAMPP server, the installation of all these things. Then from there, we shall go ahead, we do our first installation. We shall install the Broxy server, the Broxy theme. Then from there, I'll show you how to install the various plugins, the Elementor. Because what I know some of you may be asking, Sharif, how am I able to design a website like that? Like I told you, I share my experience with you because I believe there may be someone out who needs to learn the skills and gets money. Because the fact is, if you have the skills, you cannot starve. Because trust me, in a month, depending on your level of marketing, but you can make not less than $200. You cannot make less than $200, and that is the least amount of money I'm talking about, because clients, they are charged accordingly to their different specifications. So the friends out there, if you need to get something or you need to make money online, I urge you to learn website designing. Website designing, things are real. Businesses need websites. And if you're out there, if you got the skills, amongst the list of your friends that you have, they may be your immediate customers. So with those words or few remarks, thank you for following. You can share this with your friend, and if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe.